Hello guys, let's draw shapes. Triangle, square, circle, rectangle, heart, oval, pentagon, star, crescent. Let's learn to some colors name. Purple color, red color, orange color, golden color, blue color, yellow color, paste color, green color. Let's draw two colors. Brown color, pink color, orange color, golden color, red color, brown color, red color, golden color, pink color, triangle, square, circle, rectangle, heart, oval, pentagon, star, crescent. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget like, share or subscribe our channel. See you next video. Bye bye.